In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit PDF in iLovePDF. Whether you want to add text, insert images, highlight content, or make annotations, iLovePDF makes the process simple and completely online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Now, you will notice that there are so many tools and menus that you can see on the home page. Basically, these are your options to edit your PDF. You can merge, you can split, you can compress, you can also convert PDF to Word, and a lot more. Now, to edit the PDF, you have mainly two options. You can simply click the Edit PDF here, or go to the All PDF Tools on the top menu. There is a drop-down option. You see there is an option here to edit the PDF as well, depending on your preferences. Now, if you click on it, what will happen is it will ask you to select the PDF file that you want to edit, or you can also drag and drop the file here in this page. Once the PDF has been successfully loaded, you can do a lot of things. Of course, you can annotate, you can edit, but editing here requires you to upgrade to the premium plan to unlock all the premium features. Now, if you simply just want to annotate, you can simply click this pencil icon, and then all I have to do now is make the necessary adjustments and edits. You see that there is the option to save changes. Click on it, and then depending on the PDF file, saving times may vary. And all I have to do now is download the PDF since that task has been processed successfully. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to edit a PDF using iLovePDF. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.